In this video, I'm building joinery that fits straight from the router table. No clamps, no measuring, no guesswork, just a 1/2 inch guide bushing, a 3/8 inch bit, and clean results every time. Here I'm cutting box joints in 1x10 lumber, then drilling shelf pins with the BoxMate spacer system. This is the complete BoxMate system, from 1x4 to 1x6, 1x8, and up to 1x10. Each jig is symmetrical, matched to dimensional lumber, and designed to work with the same guide bushing and bit. That means no adjustments, no recalibrating, just swap jigs and keep building. Simple, accurate, scalable. Here's how the BoxMate works in practice. For the long sides, I use the spacer block to offset the first cut. This makes the teeth line up perfectly around the corners. For the top and bottom, I remove the spacer and cut directly. Every side is matched using the jig's fixed reference points. It's quick, it's consistent, and the fit is always tight. For those of you who don't know me, my name is JJ. I've been a teacher for over 25 years, and during that time I've had the privilege of working side by side with my students on real woodworking challenges. Together we explored better ways to solve joinery problems, and from that hands-on experience, these jigs were born. Every tool you see in this video was designed with simplicity, precision, and real-world use in mind. I'm excited to share it all with you. Now I'm cutting box joints with the 1x4 jig. Same guide bushing, same bit, same spacer setup as before. Then I switch to the 1x6, no adjustments needed. The cut process is exactly the same. The only thing that changes is the size of the material. That's the point of this system. Consistency across every jig. This is the BoxMate, a modular drilling system you can adapt to the project you're working on. Here I'm using it to drill 8mm dowels with 32mm spacing, starting 16mm from the edge. When that's done, I take the jig apart and reassemble it with the edge guide accessory. Now I'm drilling into the short edge of the shelf using a handheld router with the same guide bushing and a matching dowel bit. Same reference system, same results, just different orientation. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, a thumbs up really helps others find the video. And I always appreciate your comments and feedback. If you're interested in the jigs I used in this video, check out the link in the description below. See you in the next one, and happy woodworking.